Wounded travelers begin to speak. I sit with them, ask what comes where the princess sleeps far beyond. They tremble their voices, point to the ground. Beware, warrior of the darkness. There is a giant of stone and pain, the golem that crushes any dreamer. The earth trembles, the step is fatal, the brutal guardian, the chaos of crystal. I leave the camp, my sword gleaming. The valley of rocks begins to close in. The sound of quarrelling through the air. The stone eyes begin to awaken. It's the giant of stone and pain, the golem that crushes any dreamer. The earth trembles, the step is fatal, the brutal guardian, the chaos of crystal. The rock is coming, the ground is disappearing. I roll in the dust, dodging the air, the fury of the stone that seeks me. The chest shining, a core of light that I must break. I leap across the stones, the blade in the air, sure blow to bring the monster down. The giant of stone and pain falls, the sword defeats the ancient terror, the golem collapses into crystal dust. The end of the battle, the final blow, the stone sleeps. The dust scatters. I won the battle. The path opens. Princess, wait for me.